Not sure which payment processors fast growing companies actually trust? It can be tough to tell who is built for real growth. Here is a quick way to check credibility. Just look up the Inc. 5000 list and you will see companies rank for their growth and stability. It is a clear sign who's scaling successfully. And here is the good news. EasyPay Direct is featured on this list, proving they have built the kind of growth and trust that businesses look for. But beyond recognition, EasyPay Direct is designed for real business growth. With transaction routing, your payments are automatically spread across accounts, so your business keeps running even if one account has an issue. Plus, 250 plus integrations make it simple to connect with nearly any shopping cart, app, or software you are already using. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get nearly every vertical supported, so whether you're running subscriptions, high ticket sales, or a niche product, you can process without worry. If you want a processor trusted enough to make the Inc. 5000 list, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out their quick sign up form, and you will have a stable merchant account ready for growth. The link's in the description to get started.